Hello, fellow viewers, and welcome to the first episode of Josh and Noel's Nature Curiosity. I'm Explorer Josh, and I'm here at Busch Gardens I'm standing with a Komodo dragon in the fake Komodo Island. Look at that giant reptile, so walking with his legs. Legs. And look at that tongue slurking. And slurking. Oh. And I think the Komodo dragon is heading to his shelter. Shelter inside. And trying to sleep. Well, there you have it, viewers. I, Explorer Joshua, reporting the Komodo dragon in the endangered desert. Thanks, Holly. Like I said, there you have it, viewers. I, Joshua Noel, science explorer and a reptile expert. See you on the next episode of Joshua Noel's Nature Curiosity.